Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
But Shahrukh, do you think you're giving a lot of actors sleepless nights with regard to promoting films? Because what you did with Chennai Express, we've not seen anyone do, and we actually are now beginning to see more and more actors trying to heavily jump on the bandwagon.
No, darling, I don't do anything to give someone else sleepless nights.
But you do it
I do things so that I have peaceful nights. Apart from the fact that I play with my kids at night, and I think I've been working in this business for so long. Two things don't happen. One, as you would like me to answer most of your questions to create some kind of a controversy with someone else. No, I don't do it for that. With all my love, you have a lovely smile. If you want to retain that beautiful smile, have a good heart and say nice things. Apart from that, I do something which I believe in. So if it becomes new or path-breaking or different, it's just happened because of the team that I work with. So when I start marketing a film like, say, Ravan, which I started a year before, it was new. The film didn't work as well as it should have, perhaps. When I do Chennai, which was only 9 days, it's completely different. Every film, I keep saying this for years, and you only ask me this question, so I repeat it, so you should repeat the answer sometimes. Every film has its own way of marketing. You cannot follow suit in design for every film. So Happy New Year will be different. Chennai has to be different. Paheli will be different. Chak De has to be different, as far as I'm concerned. And I think when people find the honesty and the truth behind the film, they'll be able to market it truthfully. And that's what is important, not following suit. You can't go on, I don't think I can go and sell Chak De on Kapil's show. I can't sell Swades on Kapil's show, though Kapil I love. I love to go on Kapil's show every time. But I don't think I can sell a film there. So you need to find some kind of synergies. Only then it can happen. If it gives sleepless night to somebody, no, I'm not doing it for that. Am I trying to set a trend to change things for others? No. I do it only for me. And I say this with all humility. I do it so I can survive and do my work and make it reach the maximum number of people. And in doing so, if I'm able to create something new, or if people think it's new and follow suit, I'm very humble, and it's amazingly, with a lot of graciousness, I say thank you to them.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.